Danielle Noyce here for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network. This is your Insights video, and here's what we're going to cover. Fast jet stream pattern means quick-hitting disturbances. Some snow showers Tuesday night, areas of snow and rain on Wednesday. We'll talk timeline and amounts coming up. Over 700 of you have helped support our mission through our membership tiers. We've got 4 ways to do it: podcasts, discussions, updating maps, shout-outs in our video. Check out all the details at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. All right, across the country, a few disturbances. One from eastern Canada to the Great Lakes, one from the Midwest down into the northern plains, and another coming into the Pacific Northwest, an atmospheric river with actually some subtropical moisture. So areas of heavy rain, localized flash flooding, some intermountain snow. Actually, that disturbance we'll watch for the upcoming weekend. For us, one comes in and out pretty quickly on Wednesday. Behind it, another shot of cool or chilly or cold air, but not quite as cold as what we've had in place over the past couple of bursts of chilly air that have come in. So one disturbance at a time. Tuesday, the clouds increase. It turns overcast, but most of the day is dry. Some light snow showers come into western New England, 6 to 8 p.m. While most of us are sleeping, we get a little bit of light snow that comes in. So you wake up Wednesday morning, and you may have a coating in some spots. And I'll give you a look at the map in a second. And then central and northern New England, some localized slick spots remain. Notice a rain snow line. And this is generally light. This is not a significant snowstorm, but it does slow travel, particularly through western and northern New England. Pockets of chilly rain the farther south and east you come. And as the temperature drops during Wednesday evening, that's when some localized slick spots will remain, and the intensity of the snow ramps up across central and northern New England. It's offshore again by the time we get to Thursday, and Thursday and Friday in general are chilly but quiet days overall. Some mountain flurries and snow showers, some lake effect snow bands. Other than that, though, we wait on the upcoming weekend for the next disturbance to come in. It doesn't, again, look like a significant weather maker, but it comes on by. So we'll watch for clouds to increase on Saturday, and then we'll keep you posted on that. I've stopped things on Wednesday morning. So you're waking up early, and the light gray shows scattered coatings to maybe as much as a half an inch. So when you get outside of 128, the Route 2 corridor, the Berkshires, for much of the northern half of New England. So some localized slick travel on Wednesday morning. Now I'm going to play things out through Wednesday afternoon and evening, and you notice where we add the totals here. Through the Berkshires, up through most of northern New England, where by the time we get to Wednesday evening, it's a widespread 3 to 6 inches of snow. Again, you have to really go north of Concord and north of Lewiston, Maine, but there may be some spots to pick up localized 6 to 8 inches when you get across the summits of the Green Mountains, the White Mountains, and right along the Canadian border as well. I do want to show you the atmospheric energy quickly to show you these quick-hitting disturbances. So there's the one that comes in by the time we get to Tuesday night. It moves offshore quickly. There's during the day on Wednesday. That goes by, big upper level low to our north. And then we're kind of on the colder side of the jet stream. And then here's our next disturbance for the upcoming weekend. Comes and goes as well. So that's the fast flow that we were talking about, more of a zonal flow. You don't get these big dips in the jet stream, just multiple disturbances that do come in. And every time they do that, they kick up the wind a little bit too. So it will be a breezy stretch. During the day on Tuesday, the wind kicks up by the afternoon and evening, 20 to 30 miles per hour. Wednesday, 20 to 30 miles per hour, though we may see some gusts 30 to 40 over the far south coast to Cape Cod by Wednesday evening. And then Thursday, the wind shifts around behind that disturbance with numerous gusts that go about 25 to 35 miles per hour with isolated gusts to 40. So you'll certainly notice it. And every time that wind kicks up, it adds a little bit of a bite to the air. So high temperatures for Tuesday, 20s north, 30s in southern New England during the day, and then the clouds increase. Feels like prediction, though, will be running in the teens to lower 20s because of that wind that will be blowing 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tuesday night, 20s to lower 30s. The farther south you come, the immediate south coast to Cape Cod will be in the mid-30s. So as the next round of precipitation comes in, again, a quick coating to a half an inch. Again, Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. Then we bring enough mild air that we're generally in the 40s for southern and far eastern New England, 30s to the north. But that's why during the day as the snow's coming down, it's not as big of an issue in terms of localized slick travel on untreated surfaces because we are above the freezing mark. Now, the exception may be the far north country. And then during the evening as we drop, it will become slick and travel will be tough in those areas of western and northern New England. Thursday, sunshine, some increase in clouds, mountain snow flurries, temperatures generally running in the 30s, slightly cooler than average for this time of the year. And cold again by Friday, not as cold as these blasts that have come in, but 20s to mid-30s the farther south you come. You can track it all, of course, in the app, pinpoint your exact location. 2-week forecast, hourly forecast, videos right up at the top, and you can tap to watch our continuous weather stream. And we mean it. It's on 24/7, anytime, anywhere. Right on your smart TV, you can open up YouTube app and search 1 Degree Outside Network. If you're on your computer or tablet, go to onedegreeoutside.live.